In this lesson, we'll learn the characters wa, o, n. This character is wa. Wa. Which of these characters is wa? Wa. Wasabi. Wasabi. Wataame. Suwaru. Suwaru. This character is wo. Wo. Which of these characters is wo? Wo. The character wo is used to mark a direct object in a sentence, so you'll mostly only see wo in sentences and phrases rather than in individual words. For example, the word strawberry in Japanese is ichigo. The verb to eat in Japanese is taberu. So, ichigo o taberu would mean to eat strawberries. Nashi o taberu. Nashi o taberu. Budou o taberu. Budou o taberu. Momo o taberu. Momo o taberu. This character is n. N. Note that n is the only hiragana character without a vowel sound. You will never see a word start with n. Which of these characters is n? N. Gohan. Gohan. Kaban. Kaban. Nihon. Nihon. The pronunciation of n can change slightly depending on the character after. Try reading this word. Kanpai. Kanpai. In this case, the n is pronounced closer to an m sound. Kanpai. Enpitsu. Enpitsu. Tombo. Tombo. Try reading this word. Shingo. Shingo. In this case, the n creates a nasal sound. Shingo. Manga. Manga. インコ、インコ。